How to turn off email notifications on Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can turn off email notifications on Yelp. Now, turning off email notifications on Yelp is very simple. Just follow the procedures that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to sign in into your Yelp's account. Once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, here you can see different restaurants and different places that you can get products from. Then the next thing to do is to move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, then you click on it. After clicking on it, in the box displayed, you can see some tabs which includes About Me, My Collections, Find Friends, Account Settings, Projects, Messages, Logout. Just click on Account Settings. After clicking on Account Settings, on the Account Settings page, move to the left side of the screen and click on Email/Notifications. Now, for the sake of security, you will be prompted to log in. Just click on Login and then follow the procedures dutifully. So after following all of the process, you will be brought to your email/notifications page. Now once you're on this page, next thing to do is to scroll down to email notification settings. Now you can see that for the email notification settings, it is turned on. You can see the option receive emails from Yelp. Now to turn off email notifications or to stop you from receiving email notifications on your account, just go ahead and tick and untick this box here. And just like that, every kind of email would be stopped. All right, just like that, it has been turned off. You just scroll down to the lowest part of the screen, click on Save Notification Changes, and you will no longer receive notifications through your email. So it is that simple. Ensure you try this as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.